What is application sharing? Application sharing allows you to share an application, a program running on your computer, with any or all of a session's participants. You also can share just your desktop with those participants. So let me give you a few examples of how an instructor might use this function. Say you want to share a student's assignment in real time, with each of you marking it up. Say a Word document. Say a student's research paper. Application sharing allows you to do this. Another instance, suppose you want a student to learn a program's function, like a statistical analysis in SPSS, or how to create a pivot table in Excel. Show them first. Then have the student repeat the procedure on your computer by sharing that application. Finally, you could log into a site where only you have access, like YouTube. Then give a student the rein. Let them share their insights with others. Application sharing is a great tool when helping a student who is having a problem. Here are the steps to use the application sharing function. First, you must open the application you want to share. Once open, 2 ideas to keep in mind. First, don't minimize the screen. Keep it open. Second, make the application roughly the same size as the content area. To begin application sharing, go back to your Collaborate session. You're now on the whiteboard. Just to the right of that is application sharing. Go ahead and click, and you'll see all of the open programs on this computer. I can share any one of these with the participants, and I can share the desktop. I'm going to share the PowerPoint. I'm going to click. Once you've chosen application sharing, this is what your participants will see. They have to wait a second for this to load up, so be patient before you start your session. And now the participants can see this PowerPoint. Surrounding the open application is a yellow box. It indicates to you that this is what you're sharing with your participants. Let's look at the buttons here on top. First, you have a stop button. Second, a pause button. And next to that, a snapshot button. The snapshot button takes a screenshot while you're sharing. This automatically transfers to the whiteboard so that you can stop the action and go to the whiteboard and maybe explain that slide. It's also useful because once you've taken a snapshot, you'll be able to use that to create a record of import discoveries during the session. So I've taken the snapshot, and the icon now indicates that I'm on the whiteboard. The image I just took is in my whiteboard palette, and now I can annotate on the whiteboard and use this as a whiteboard. To get back to the application sharing, I go back to application sharing and resume sharing. And now I'm sharing my PowerPoint again. Say that I want to give permissions for others to use application sharing. I currently have permission, as indicated by this icon that shows blue and shows that I have permission. What about these other students? How do I give them permission? Well, I go to the same icon, currently with an X over it, and I hover over that icon, click right, and I get this list of choices, pull down to application sharing, and now that student can share the application that's running from my computer.